In 2024, starting a business represents a unique opportunity to break away from traditional structures, pursue financial freedom, and create a life of independence. Many aspiring entrepreneurs want to leave behind the limitations of traditional jobs and the constraints of a 9-to-5 schedule. But in a world where markets, trends, and technology evolve quickly, choosing the right business idea is crucial for success. Today we'll explore practical business ideas that require moderate resources, give you a path toward financial freedom, and allow you to work on your own terms. Let's look at 4 business ideas for 2024 that anyone with a solid plan and commitment can start. Each one is designed to align with current market trends, offering high potential for those who are ready to dive in. E-commerce niche store. E-commerce continues to thrive, but standing out is key. The days of generalized online stores are mostly behind us. Instead, niche stores are capturing the attention of buyers by catering to specific audiences with unique products. Rather than trying to compete with big names, you can find success by offering specialized products that meet a distinct market need. For example, instead of selling general home decor, you could focus on a particular style like Scandinavian decor, eco-friendly items, or minimalist furniture. Or if you're interested in fashion, instead of a general clothing store, consider a store specializing in sustainable workout wear, vintage-inspired jewelry, or organic children's clothing. The goal is to become a go-to resource for a specific audience looking for products they can't easily find elsewhere. Here's how to get started. First, conduct thorough research on your chosen niche. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Pinterest can help you understand what's trending and what gaps exist in the market. Once you select a niche, create a website using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer templates to simplify the setup. Focus on building a user-friendly website that reflects the style of your products. The initial cost can vary, but with the right products and marketing, an e-commerce store can offer scalable income that contributes to your financial independence. To attract customers, invest in digital marketing through social media ads, influencer partnerships, and content marketing. Share valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Think blogs, social media posts, and emails that showcase your product's unique appeal. Over time, a niche e-commerce store can become a source of passive income where your focus shifts to managing operations while your products sell around the clock. Digital marketing agency for small businesses. As digital presence becomes essential, more small businesses need help with online marketing but often lack the expertise or budget to hire full-time marketing teams. If you have skills in digital marketing, whether it's social media management, SEO, content creation, or pay-per-click advertising, you can start a digital marketing agency aimed at small businesses. To launch this business, you'll need a basic website that explains your services, client testimonials if you have them, and a clear pricing structure. Start by offering a few core services, like social media management, email marketing, or Google Ads management. Many small businesses are looking to expand their reach but struggle with the overwhelming number of online platforms. By narrowing your focus to just a few key services, you can provide high-quality work without needing a large team or advanced resources. To find clients, reach out to small businesses in your area or niche industries where digital marketing is underutilized. Networking on platforms like LinkedIn or attending local business events can help you get started. Another effective strategy is to offer free initial consultations or trial periods to attract new clients. As you build a portfolio, your reputation will grow, allowing you to charge higher rates or offer packages. Digital marketing agencies have strong income potential as recurring clients become regular sources of revenue. Over time, you can scale by adding more services, hiring additional talent, or expanding into other areas like graphic design or web development. This type of business provides a clear path to financial freedom because it's service-based, requires minimal upfront costs, and is highly scalable. Online course creation and coaching. The online education industry is booming, and if you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course or offering coaching services can be a lucrative path. People are constantly looking to acquire new skills, whether it's in career development, personal finance, cooking, language learning, or fitness. With platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare, setting up an online course has never been easier. Start by identifying a skill or knowledge area where you have real expertise. Think about skills you possess that others might want to learn, even if it seems niche. For example, you could teach a course on managing personal finances, becoming more productive, or navigating remote work successfully. After you've chosen a topic, break down the content into organized sections, plan engaging lessons, and consider creating worksheets or exercises that add value. Recording equipment doesn't need to be costly. A good smartphone camera and basic lighting can produce high-quality videos. To create even more engagement, host live sessions, or offer one-on-one coaching as an add-on. Your course can serve as a passive income stream once it's online, while live coaching offers additional income. To attract students, market your course through social media, blog posts, or even a YouTube channel where you share insights related to your topic. This type of business allows you to create something once and benefit from sales over time. As you gain followers and testimonials, you'll be able to scale by offering advanced courses, group coaching, or even developing a membership site. Subscription box service. Subscription box services have grown in popularity, especially those catering to specific interests like wellness, fitness, art, or pet care. This model is appealing to customers who enjoy receiving curated items regularly without having to shop for them individually. If you can identify a niche interest or hobby with strong demand, a subscription box service can become a profitable business. Starting a subscription box business involves selecting a theme that aligns with your audience. Popular themes include eco-friendly products, gourmet snacks, self-care kits, or book lovers collections. Once you have a concept, start sourcing items that are unique, high quality, and align with the theme. Reach out to suppliers to negotiate bulk pricing to keep your costs down. To attract subscribers, create an enticing website that showcases the items they'll receive. Clear, high-quality photos, a user-friendly layout, and detailed descriptions are essential. Social media and influencer marketing can be effective ways to build excitement around your box. Many businesses in this space also benefit from partnering with bloggers or YouTubers who review subscription boxes. While the initial setup costs can be higher due to inventory requirements, subscription boxes generate recurring revenue, which supports financial stability and predictable income. Once you establish a base of loyal subscribers, you can expand by offering different box sizes, themed boxes for specific seasons, or special one-time boxes. This model offers strong income potential, especially with a unique product that can stand out in the market. Content creation and monetization. With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, content creation has become a viable business model for people who can produce engaging, valuable content. If you have a passion for creating videos, writing, or photography, content creation offers a path to financial freedom by building an audience and monetizing your platform. To get started, identify a niche that resonates with your interests and aligns with trending topics. For instance, you could focus on travel tips, personal finance advice, productivity hacks, or DIY projects. Choose one primary platform to start and focus on creating consistent, high-quality content. Quality matters more than quantity, so take the time to produce content that is informative, engaging, and visually appealing. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or even launching your own products. As your audience grows, you can explore other platforms or create exclusive content on Patreon or similar sites where fans pay for premium access. This model requires patience and effort, but has virtually unlimited income potential as your reach expands. Growing an audience takes time, but content creation can offer a flexible lifestyle and the potential for long-term financial freedom. Once you've built a following, you have the freedom to work on your own terms, choosing the projects and partnerships that align with your goals. Each of these business ideas provides a practical way to move toward financial freedom without the need for substantial initial investment. With commitment, a clear strategy, and a willingness to adapt, these paths can help you escape the limitations of traditional jobs and create income streams that align with your goals and values. Remember, starting a business takes dedication, but the rewards of financial independence and self-determined success are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below sharing which business idea resonates with you the most. Let's work together to turn 2024 into a year of growth, independence, and lasting success.